got the money and you're pre-qualified, is now a good time to get your investment property?
I've been at this 25 years, and this is the best real estate market I've ever seen if you're a buyer.
If you're a buyer,
If you're a buyer. I mean, people listen to the news reports, and the news reports are specifically talking about sellers.
Right.
They are not talking about buyers. And every time you hear one of these negative reports, I want you to think about, who are you? What position do you play in the real estate investment world? Are you an investor or are you a seller? And if you're an investor today, buying, and for a lot of the properties we're selling are half what they were selling for a year and a half ago, 50 cents on the dollar.
So are you telling buyers, though, I mean, again, it's a buyer's market. Are you saying, hey, throw out some lowballs out there?
Absolutely.
Just toss
Oh,
them
yeah.
out there.
Yeah, we're a lot of people off with our offers, quite frankly. I mean, when you say low balls, we're writing some low ball offers, and we're having to write a lot of offers to get some accepted. But that's what it takes.
Are they getting accepted, though?
Oh, yeah, we're selling property, absolutely. We've got investors that are coming into this game, and they're extremely happy with the deals they're getting.
When you talk about low ball, though, I'm so sorry.
Go ahead.
When you talk about low ball, though, how much lower are you talking? Like, what percent are you cutting down?
I shouldn't tell you, but I looked at a property the other day. It was on the water. They were asking $1.2 million. I offered $300,000 for it. So that's a low ball offer. It did not get accepted.
Laugh?
Yeah, no, they were a lot worse than laughing. They
must have been angry.
They had some nasty words to say to me. But if you do that enough times, you're going to get some yeses. I looked at I'm a waterfront guy. I like waterfront property. I looked at the waterfront sales, and typically speaking, the waterfront sales in the market that I was looking at, they were all at least $100,000 below asking price. And you have to imagine a lot of these were on the market for 300, 400, 500 days, and the current asking price might have been $100,000 less than the original asking price. So they're lowering them, and then a low ball offer comes in even lower. So it's where the market's heading. And if you want to properties in step 2, writing offers. This is a step that seems to be a major hurdle for most real estate investors. Writing offers is not difficult. We've already gone through the trouble of identifying the top properties, the best deals out of, let's say, 75,000 properties that might be in our inventory right now. If you watch our How to Identify the Best Deals, you'll figure out how we are identifying the top 1, 2, or 10 properties out of 75,000 properties. So we've done the legwork, we've identified the extremely discounted properties, and now it's up to you to start writing offers. So I just can't emphasize it enough. Now is the time for you to pick up the phone, give us a call, and let's start writing offers. And don't be nervous. People always think there's more information I need. I need to find out more about the house. Heck, I haven't even seen the house yet, and you're already asking to write offers. Yes, 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 to all of that. When you write an offer, it doesn't mean you've bought something. All we're doing is trying to tie up a piece of property so that you can do your due diligence. We're going to give you at least 10 days to do whatever you feel is necessary with whatever support you feel you might need. Inspectors, insurance companies, title companies, finance companies, whatever research and due diligence you feel that you need to do, you have 10 days at minimum to do that research. So yes, you may have written an offer rather quickly because that's what it takes to land the good deals. The good deals don't wait. The discounted properties sell immediately, even in the worst real estate market. That 1 or 2 special properties that are extremely discounted, more discounted than any other property out there, sells today. It's that simple. And it's up to you. Do you want those extreme discounted properties, or do you want to work a little bit slower and get properties that are not quite as attractive of a discount? That's your decision. We're hoping to persuade you to move extremely fast in order to land some of these deals. And I say move fast, I'm only talking about initially, just to write the offer. Then everything slows down to a snail's pace to where you have the opportunity to do your research. No earnest money deposit is required. You don't have to put up a check. There's no money at risk. For you to tie up these properties risk-free, and to have your 10-day cooling off period, right of rescission, due diligence period, cancellation period, whatever term you want to put on it that makes you feel comfortable, to have 10 days to do research on the premium properties is an ideal way of going about it. I just cannot emphasize enough. The first one who pulls the trigger is the one who wins. The people who sit on the sidelines and wait for those deals to come to them, as opposed to attacking the deals, never get the extremely good deals. I want to emphasize, this is a land of opportunity. We all have the exact same opportunities. There's 24 hours in my day. There's 24 hours in your day. There's 24 hours in Donald Trump's day. We all have the same opportunities here to invest in properties and make money and get ahead. The only thing stopping you from being a successful real estate investor is you.